On to another Glam tutorial video. Now in this video I'll show you how to earn through the Glam fitness feature on Glamour. Now to do that, all you have to do is to click on this three dash icon again. Click on it right here. Click on the Glam gains where the jobs available drop down. Now you go over here where it says Glam fitness. Click on it. Now you can see I already did a few steps today. Right now, to start your steps, come over here and click on start working session, and once you do that, it starts up and it starts counting your current steps. Now the more it counts these steps up, the more your session's calories include. You can see right now it's increasing. Now what you have to note right here is make sure that your steps, or you keep this up and running till you get up to about 5,000 steps. So you can do this and leave your phone in your pocket and it just runs on its own till you get up to 5,000 pass. Once you get to that, you'll be able to get 50 points, which is convertible. All you have to do is to convert these points to pounds, and your pounds will appear in your dashboard after conversion. So this is how the Glam fitness works. All you have to do is to make sure that you keep it on and active. Don't click on complete session, just turn it on and leave it on. It will keep stepping and keep calculating your steps till you get up to 5,000 steps. Once you get up to 5,000 steps, you get 50 points, which is convertible to euros, and you can withdraw it into your dashboard. Now please take note, after your working session, make sure you come back over here and click on complete session. You understand? So let's say you start up the process and it is calculating your steps right now, and your steps are counting in real time. Make sure that whenever you're done calculating your steps, you come back here and click on complete session so that it will record under your account. So you click on complete session right here and you can see my steps will increase. You can see as it has increased. So that's exactly how you can do it. The more the steps you get, the more your this bar increases. Once this bar increases to this point, you'll be able to get 50 points, which you can withdraw into your dashboard. Now for this point, or for this daily challenge, to get to this point, you just have to keep this working session running for at least an hour. An hour is enough for you to get up to 5,000 steps. So that's exactly how you can go about the Glam fitness feature on Glamour. So to get further updates on new videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you can get further updates when we drop new videos. Also drop a like on this video if you got value from this video, and I'll see you in my next update.